Hey guys, so how do you access TikTok Shop on iPhone? That was really frustrating for some iPhone users because they're having a hard time trying to look for their TikTok Shop like this one. This is the first example. They can't find the shop anywhere here beneath here. And the problem is, it's because the account isn't well provisioned. Now go to settings. Click this one right here. And you need to activate all these things right here at the side. That's why you can't access TikTok Shop, because you haven't established and switched them all on at the side here. And that's just it. Let's go back here a little bit. Yeah, you should be able to, fingers crossed, you should be able to see your account. Here it is. There's the shop. It appears now. And let's just scroll to the shop. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is. Now we could go ahead and buy some products that we like. So I hope this video is educational for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.